Hello all, I'm Arsha Bhagat, a student of MES Garware College of Commerce, Autonomous Pune, and today I welcome all of you to this exciting interview organized by MES Garware College of Commerce, Autonomous Pune. I would like to introduce Ashwini Thakur ma'am, who is the head of college library.
Oh, thank you, Arsha, for inviting me over here.
She is the head of Infrastructure Committee, editorial board member of Sri Lekha, program organizer of Staff Academy, and secretary of Library and Learning Resource Committee. She is the visiting faculty at Abasaheb Garware College for BILIB course. She has qualified with Masters of Library Science and SET. She has specialization in library user services and e-library resources, and she has over 30 years of working experience. Ma'am, please tell us about the library of GCC.
The GCC library is established in 1967, so it is a 57 years old library and having collection for since last 57 years. The library is situated on the first floor of main building. It has having four sections. One is stack room, two reading halls, and one small section of digital library also. There is one more departmental library in the BBA building also that caters the need of BBA students. Of course, the library is available for everyone. Once the students take admission in Garware College, they directly become member of the library. They get at least one library card against which they can issue one book for 7 days. Some students even get more than one book also. The main objective of the library is to cater the needs of the students. It supports the curriculum. Okay, and it is a hub where students and teachers come together and discuss many things.
Ma'am, please tell us about the collection of books in the library and are they available in multiple languages?
Yeah, as I said, the library supports the curriculum. It is having main collection of the libraries in field of commerce, commerce management, taxation, information technology, and all the streams of commerce are available with us. And not only that, we are having special collection of Marathi and English literature also, and even we have a special collection of biographies. Biography section is also quite good of our library.
Ma'am, please tell us about what other services are provided by our library.
Our library is automated with Slim 21 library software, and through that software we are having OPAC of the library. OPAC is online public access catalog. So this through this catalog, students can search books of their choices. Even if anyone wants any books for any particular subject or any particular author, through this catalog they can access the book. We are providing additional library cards also for the students for additional reading. We are having institutional memberships. It is tie up our with other good libraries. Our libraries tie up with other good libraries. For example, we are having life membership of Gokhale Institute Library, and all the resources are of Gokhale Institute Library are also available for our students. Such types are there with MCCI Library also, and even we are having good connection with our sister concern library like Abasaheb Garware and IMCC libraries. So our students can get books from these libraries also. Then we are having book bank facility.
Ma'am, is there any events or programs arranged by our library for students?
Yes, library has taken in various initiatives to develop the reading habits of the students. Throughout the year, we organize an event like Read a Book, Get a Pen. So there are certain good books that we feel that students should read. They are available for the students, and after reading those books, students get a pen as a reward. Then we do organize activities like library fun fair. In that fun fair week also, we do organize activities like book talk. Then the different puzzles are there. Activity like treasure hunt, poster making. So different kinds of activities that really attract the students, and through this they at least come to the library and read the books. Then we are having a book exhibition also we do organize. In that book exhibition also different booksellers from Pune come in the library, and they exhibit their collections. So students get to know different books that are available. They can handle it, browse it, they can even read it, and they get an opportunity to purchase also such books at discounted price. Even we also provide some additional discount at that time. So this book exhibition activity is also there. Then we are having night reading hall during examinations. At the time of examinations, the library extends its timing around till 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening, and students can sit in the reading hall and do their studies. So such nice activities are organized by the library.
Ma'am, how does the library gather feedback from students about the events they host, and what were the feedbacks?
Yeah, feedback is very important. We are providing different services, but what students feel about the services, to know about it, it's very important. So we are having feedback mechanism. Actually, with there are two ways. The informal way also is there. We directly have conversation with the students, how they feel, what are their needs and everything. But during our events, we keep a book of response book for the students. So they mention in the book what are their response, what they if they are facing any problem and everything. Then there is a recommendation forms are also there for the students. If they want to recommend any book, if they want any book to read, that they feel that it should be added in the library. So such recommendation forms are available for the students, and we do cater the students' needs. See, they do many times they do face problems like that. I want any particular book and I'm not getting for longer period, so we reserve that book for the students. If we feel that additional copies are required on any particular book, so such books are also added in the library. Even we subscribe also periodicals for the students if they recommend any periodical, any material if they want from the library, we do provide them. If they want any extension of the period, if they want any particular book for a longer period, such facilities also available. We really go out of the way to help the students, because we do believe that library is for the students, and all these their requirements are always taken care by the library.
Ma'am, what measures can be taken to make library a more inviting and comfortable space for students?
See, reading and library is gateway of success for the college students. So, library, first of all, it is very approachable for the students. It is located on the first floor. First floor, it helps that it reduces the noise for as it is there on the ground floor, but still it is approachable. Students can come anytime in the library. It is having a good furniture, good sitting arrangement, proper ventilation of light and air, and it is very pleasant atmosphere is provided in the library. Not only that, there is direct access, we call it as open access to the books in the library. Students can directly go to the stacks and browse the books, so that also attracts students to the library. And the overall library gives an overall nice experience of reading for the students.
Ma'am, what message do you want to convey to the students?
In college life, library is very important. So do visit library regularly. See, cultivating and maintaining reading habit is really very essential. There are many advantages of reading, that it improves our memory, it improves our library, writing skill, it improves our vocabulary, and of course there are so many benefits of reading. And of course the most important is it helps us for a healthy lifestyle. So, only message for the students is never leave the hand of books and library in your life. Thank you so much.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, I would like to extend my heartily thank to ma'am for coming here today. It indeed was a great pleasure to have you on board, and I'm sure that your guidance will be very helpful for all the viewers.
Thank you so much for inviting me over here.
And I'm sure that now many more students will go to library and read more books. So guys, how did you find today's interview? I hope that you love it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with new videos soon. Thank you.